What's up, guys?
I can't do this.
Yeah. Get out of here. It's like 35 degrees out right now, and not gonna be riding my motorcycle, but what we're gonna do today is I got my friend over here, and we're gonna build a PC. So we're gonna unbox the stuff that he got now, and then we're gonna put everything together. We got a fan, i5 processor, 6600. What's this? This is the RAM?
Yeah.
We got the RAM. Ooh, so fancy. Got a hard drive. We got the motherboard, and then we got the GeForce GTX 1060, and then we got a solid state drive, 120 gigabytes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the operating system on the solid state drive, and we're gonna run everything off, like storage, like games and stuff like that, off of the hard drive. And then we got, what's this? That's your power supply? That thing's heavy.
I know.
Holy shit. 650. Do you even need that high wattage for
It's
that?
only gonna run about 350 watts.
What? What are you gonna put 2 graphics cards in the future?
We'll see.
So this is it. Oh wait! We got
Oh,
one more
shit.
thing. We got one more thing.
Duke Cassie.
Open this thing up. Open that. God damn. That thing is nice AF. Woo! Sexy. Oh, it's got cords in it already.
Yeah, what I was saying is 2 fans will go here and they suck in the air.
So what are we doing first? What's the first thing that we have to do?
First, you need to put the faceplate on for the motherboard in the back. If you don't put this on first, it's a pain. Pain to get it on later.
Oh shit, should I get screwdrivers and shit?
I got 2 over there.
Alright, so we gotta put the faceplate on?
Yeah.
On this guy?
No, on the case.
On the case, okay.
So this goes.
So I've never built a PC before, but he has. So I'm gonna learn from him. Alright, so motherboard's up first. So the first thing we do is what? Put the processor on the motherboard.
Processor on the motherboard.
You want me to lay like a cloth out here?
Yeah, actually, don't worry about it.
You sure? Because I got it right here.
No. That hasn't.
Do not want to shock your components. Don't do that, you'll get dust on it. I got this thing. So what we got? We got RAM here. We got processor there. We got, which one's the GPU? There's the solid state. That's probably GPU. Yeah. I have a gigabyte as well. Yeah. Let me read this manual real quick.
Never seen that screw.
So we ran into a problem right here. We need to take this screw out. So we gotta get that tool, and we'll be right back. So we're just gonna go through the other stuff now, and if we need anything else while we're out, so we can like pick it up.
Hey YouTube. What's up? Oh, can I drive to Home Depot?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. We're going to go to the beer store too. Actually, I think I'm just going to go home.
I got that.
That was quick.
I made that decision.
Alright, let's get in the car.
So we ran to Advanced Auto Parts to get this guy here. And then we took out the screw, and now he is going to put on the CPU. Don't fuck it up. So it's not going down? I'm sure you have it on the right way? No, that's not right. Wait, where's the manual? It doesn't even tell you how to put it in.
We didn't have to take this off.
Oh, we didn't have to take it off. Oh no! We didn't have to go get that screw? Oh, okay, so is that screwed in right? Did you just hand tighten that?
Mm-hmm.
I want to tighten it up a little bit. Oh no, shit. Did we lose it? We didn't even have to leave. We could just left that screw in. So next up is the fan. So now we have to mount the fan on top of the CPU. And holy shit, CJ, that is fucking huge. Holy shit.
Some cooling power.
That thing is gonna cool the shit out of your CPU. Okay, what? This is the hardest part, right? Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna install the back mount for the cooler, and we're gonna try to get this cooler on. everybody doing this? All right, what we're gonna do now is install, we're gonna put like thermal paste on the CPU, and then we're gonna install the CPU cooler, this big boy right here. Apparently this is the hardest part of the build because you can mess it up. Thermal paste can go off the side. So we're just gonna use as little as possible and hopefully not run into any problems, which we shouldn't because we're professionals, so you know. We build PCs every weekend. Psych. Man, I should have brought chem wipes, should have brought screwdrivers. You should let me know we need all these tools. It's actually a good first learning experience.
Oh yeah, on mine.
All right, man. Moto, sure, be careful. You wanna sit while you do this?
No, but what I'm worried is that it probably doesn't matter which way this sits, right?
Well, it depends on your case, right?
No, I mean it's the same regardless of the side.
Yeah, it looks like it's pretty symmetrical on each side.
All right, what do you say, a piece on?
Beautiful. That was good. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Make sure you remove the plastic.
Fuck.
Once you go down, don't go up. Sweet. Okay, so we got that CPU cooler installed. Now we're gonna put it in the RAM because the RAM goes right there, and then we're gonna put on the CPU fan onto this big boy right here. Beautiful. All right, RAM is installed. Now we're gonna install the CPU fans. Good thing we didn't get any coffee.
I know.
Bro, we'd be shaking all over the place.
That's
what
I was thinking about. I was like, I would love a coffee right now. However,
We'll get coffee afterwards. Beautiful. All right, so motherboard in the case now. This thing's pretty light too. All right, next up is putting the motherboard in the case. All right, so we're gonna put in the power supply first, and then the motherboard, or should we also put in the CD-ROM?
motherboard.
It's like nicely boxed and packed. Like that is nice. How much was that power supply?
$75.
God damn! Sweet, so we got the PSU in, and now we're gonna do the motherboard. All right, you ready? Don't drop it. Don't. What should I pick it up by?
The board. The board. No, not this. Not that. You want me to do it?
Yeah, you do it. I don't want to mess up your board. I'll hold wires back for you. That CPU cooler is pretty heavy.
This fucking thing's too high, dude.
What size table you want? We got all size tables. The what?
The cooler is so fucking heavy.
I know. It feels like the board's gonna snap. No, don't pick up by the cooler. I think that's a bad idea. Definitely support it by it. But... What do you want me to do?
I want to be able to put my hand in the top here.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yay! Oh, hey, your screwdriver sucks.
You suck.
And we get good ones. Alright, so we got the CPU, not the CPU, the motherboard fastened into the hard case. Now what? Disk drive, hard drive, SSD. GPU is probably the last thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sweet. So we're gonna do that. Yay!
Fuck.
Alright, this thing's coming together nice. We got the motherboard in, we got the power supply in, and then we just put in the CD-ROM drive. DVD drive. We ain't that old school.
It is from 2005.
What are we doing now?
Putting the hard drive in.
We are putting the hard drive in. Alright, so we're opening up the SSD right now. We just realized that there might not be a cable for it, so we're hoping that there's a cable, and there's not. Fuck! Well, it looks like we're going to Best Buy. We just found the cables. Woo!
So we've got everything in. We just got a wire now, right?
We just put in the solid state drive, And we have the cords for both the SSD and the HDDs, thank goodness. Now all we have to do is wire everything, and then after we wire everything, we'll put the GPU in, and then we should be good, and we'll try to put the OS on it. So we're about finished the wiring. And then once we do the wiring, we're gonna try to power it up and see if it works. And then we're gonna install the GPU. All right, 2 hours later, we got it all wired up, zip tied. Now we're gonna plug this bad boy into power and get the operating system on it, and hopefully everything turns on and everything works out. So I guess we'll see. Guess we'll see.
These USBs, is this your mouse and keyboard?
Should be, yeah. You don't need to plug the speakers in.
I do, just in case it makes a noise about blowing up. I'm scared.
Is the fans not on yet? Turn it off. All right, so we just turned it on and it works. Well, it works so far. All right. 6 hours later, we just got the operating system onto the desktop, and now we're gonna install the graphics card, and we're gonna be finished. That's about it. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.
Oh no.
Oh, that's Chipotle.
I just fell out of this chair.